Difference between distance and displacement. Distance: the path covered by a body from one to another point is called distance. The path covered by a body from one to another point in a particular direction is known as displacement, or it is the shortest distance between two points. Distance is a scalar quantity while displacement is vector quantity. Distance is denoted by S or D or X. Displacement is denoted by S arrow or D arrow or X arrow. Distance can be positive but cannot be negative and zero because it is a scalar quantity. Displacement can be positive, negative and zero because it is a vector quantity. Distance is calculated by using formula S is equal to V into T. Displacement is calculated by using formula S arrow is equal to V arrow into T. From following three paths 1, 2 and 3, the path of displacement is 1, means this is displacement, and the 2 and 3 path is for distance. The SI unit of distance is meter, CGS unit is centimeter, and FPS unit is foot. The dimensions of distance are m naught L T naught. The SI CGS and FPS units of displacement are same as that of distance. Means the units of displacement are identical to the units of distance, and the dimensions of displacement are m naught l t naught. That is the difference between distance and displacement.